try.
Oh, casting. Let's hang on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
I hear you, Goofy.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mickey Man! What's wrong with me? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! This is all my fault! Oh no! Let's get that runaway train! Not a chance!
Hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Baby, right down!
Calm down, Donald.
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride. Not with you by my side. Let's start till we are done. Nothing can slow us down. Let's start till we are done. Nothing can stop
We better not be.
ever do. Back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again.